So this is an audio check, but we'll also be playing Pokemon right now. I know it's the second video today. Hold on, let me leave this. I don't know why, but my soundtrack is not working. So, no, not that. I just want to play right now. Okay, there. Solar. I think I could kill a blue with this muddy. Look at this. Bulk up 20 times. And go, Comet Punch, ding. Wait, Comet Punch, ding, ding, ding. And goes, ding, ding. When they catch me, they're sorry. I need to catch a low Pokemon. I choose you. When they catch me, they're sorry. Hold that B button, boys. B, 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 B. Unless if you're on Xbox, do not hold B right now. Because it'll legit log you out of the video, I think. Last time I used my Xbox, that's what it did to me. Hi, Sandslash, let's go. Yes, I do know I have to fix up my Sandslash. One. Wait, I didn't use Spore? Oh, Spore, put it to sleep. That's my boy! Sandslash! Bro, it's gonna kill my Sandslash. I'm not looking for that. That's it, I'm killing it. It's annoying. Well, I hope you enjoyed my audio check. Right before I leave, I'm just gonna show you. Hold on one sec. Comet Punch. Oh, of course I don't have Comet Punch anymore. That's so many times I've used Comet Punch. Bro, that's a normal encounter where I legit spam right there. I go, whee! My normal playthrough. And I, of course, beat it because I live my Pokemon up to like evolve first gym. Look, this is what I did. Went here. Yes! Okay, I actually want this Pokemon. Polly. Polly. I need my Polly. Polly, I swear to God, I will fuck you up. I just need something so I can do damage with a low leveled. Or I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to catch Pokemon. Polly? No, okay. Wait, it's in confusion. Let's go. Okay, we could actually do damage to it now. So I'm just gonna hold B. Please work. Okay. I'm just gonna keep on trying. I'll wait for the rest. I'll just keep on. Okay, yep. Of course. Not gonna work. B button, please work, please. 1, 2. No! Please hit yourself. What the fuck? What the clank? What the Glock 18 move is that? Glock 18. Damn it. Please. Yes. Okay. Just keep on doing that. I'll just switch my Pokemon. Because Muddy is OP. And I can just keep on using Muddy. Just keep on using Bulk Up. Did he snap out of confusion? Okay, he did. Wait, no he didn't. One move. There. GG, boys. GG. This is how we catch a Polly. The fuck? What the? I wish you could just take a thief. Alright, time to go. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. My audio check. So, have a good day, guys. If this doesn't work, I just have to configure some stuff. So